Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Did you know some vegetables actually protect each other when planted together? It's like having a little neighborhood watch right in your garden bed. This amazing gardening secret is called companion planting. And today we're going to dive deep into which plants make the best neighbors. It's all about creating a balanced, self-sustaining ecosystem where your plants not only survive, but truly thrive together. By choosing the right partners, you can naturally deter pests, attract beneficial insects, and even improve the soil and flavor of your harvest. It's a game changer for organic gardening, reducing the need for chemical pesticides and making your gardening journey a whole lot easier and more rewarding. Let's start with one of the most popular garden pairings, tomatoes and marigolds. Marigolds aren't just pretty faces. They are powerful protectors. Okay? They release a substance from their roots that repels nematodes, those tiny worms that can wreak havoc on tomato roots. Planting marigolds around your tomatoes is like giving them a personal bodyguard. This means healthier tomato plants and a more bountiful harvest for your sauces and salads, all without reaching for a chemical spray. Plus, the bright pop of color from the marigolds looks absolutely stunning next to the lush green of the tomato vines. Next up, let's talk about beans and rosemary. This is a classic combination that works wonders. The strong, fragrant scent of rosemary is a natural deterrent for the bean beetle, a common pest that can decimate your bean crop in no time. By planting rosemary nearby, you're essentially creating a fragrant shield that confuses and repels these unwanted visitors. In return, beans, being legumes, fix nitrogen in the soil, which benefits the rosemary. It's a perfect example of a mutually beneficial relationship where both plants help each other grow stronger and healthier. Now for the cabbage family, which includes broccoli and cauliflower. These veggies are magnets for cabbage moths and their destructive caterpillars. But don't worry, dill is here to save the day. Dill is fantastic at attracting beneficial predatory insects like ladybugs and lacewings. These good bugs are natural enemies of cabbage worms and aphids. They'll happily feast on the pests, keeping your cabbage patch clean and protected. So, by planting dill among your brassicas, you're not just growing a delicious herb for your pickles and sauces. You're setting up a natural pest control system that works around the clock. Moving on to root vegetables. Carrots have a wonderful friend in sage. The pungent aroma of sage helps to confuse and repel the dreaded carrot rust fly, a pest that lays its eggs near the base of carrot plants, leading to larvae that tunnel into the roots. By interplanting sage with your carrots, you create an aromatic barrier that makes it difficult for the flies to find their target. This simple trick can be the difference between a harvest of perfect, sweet carrots and a crop riddled with tunnels. It's a beautiful, fragrant partnership that every carrot grower should try. What about eggplants? These beautiful nightshades can be susceptible to pests like flea beetles. Their secret weapon is thyme. Planting thyme as a ground cover around your eggplant can help deter these pests. The strong scent of the thyme masks the scent of the eggplant, making it harder for the beetles to locate their favorite meal. It's a simple, effective, and aromatic way to keep your eggplants healthy and productive, ensuring you get plenty of glossy purple fruits for your favorite recipes. Peppers also have a powerful ally in the herb garden, oregano. Oregano is known to repel certain pests that bother pepper plants, but its benefits go even further. Some gardeners swear that planting oregano near peppers actually improves their flavor, making them more robust and spicier. While the science on flavor enhancement is still being explored, the pest-repelling properties are well documented. So adding a border of oregano around your peppers is a win-win, providing both protection and potentially a tastier harvest. Let's not forget about the allium family. Onions can benefit greatly from having chamomile as a neighbor. Chamomile is often called the plant's physician, because it seems to improve the health and vigor of many plants growing near it. It's particularly good for onions, helping to deter pests and potentially enhancing their growth. Plus, you get to harvest the lovely chamomile flowers to make a calming tea after a long day in the garden. It's a truly soothing and beneficial partnership for both the gardener and the garden. And for your leafy greens, like lettuce, try planting lavender nearby. The strong floral scent of lavender is wonderful for us, but it's a major turnoff for many pests that love to munch on tender lettuce leaves, including some types of aphids and even rabbits. Creating a fragrant border of lavender around your salad greens can help keep them safe and sound until they're ready for your plate. Finally, let's talk about protecting your squash. Squash plants are often targeted by squash bugs, which can be incredibly destructive. A fantastic companion plant for squash is calendula, also known as pot marigold. It also attracts beneficial insects to your garden. Planting a ring of cheerful calendula flowers around your squash patch not only adds beauty, but provides a crucial line of defense. As you can see, companion planting is an incredible natural strategy for creating a healthier, more resilient garden. It's all about working with nature, not against it, to produce amazing vegetables with fewer chemicals. Give some of these pairings a try in your own garden and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow our channel for more simple, effective gardening tips. Happy planting!